Hey everyone, Brian Edmondson here, and today we're looking at the Thunderbolt to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. So if you have a Thunderbolt equipped Mac and you're looking to get higher speeds, maybe for things like Zoom calls or anything that would require high-speed internet connection, this is a great way to connect your router directly to your computer for those higher speeds. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. There we go. So on this end, you have the Thunderbolt port, and there's a slot for the Ethernet cable. Let's take a look at the length of this. This is about 5 inches long, and of course it's can be somewhat adjustable as well. So yeah, great handy piece of equipment. You pretty much know what this is for. This is to connect a Thunderbolt equipped Mac directly to the router with an Ethernet cable to get those higher speed connections.